Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Let's start with the case. This is an Endura Pro Plus mid-tower ATX case, tempered glass, panoramic view. Let's get this baby open. Let me get my little knife here. Oh yeah, pop it up, pop it up. Woohoo! Look at that beautiful case. Tempered glass around the side and the front. Normal cases have this is where you put your fans, but the fans go in the back of this. Look at that tempered glass so you can see right through. Oh, perfect landing right there for my Funko Pop, and that's where your fans will go right there. So you have panoramic view all around the case. You got your base right here. Popping the case off is real easy. You just come to the corners right here, make sure you got any tape there, and you just pop it out, and you just come right down the side. They've got little hinges on it, so you just have to it pops out just like that from the top. So if you ever wonder how to pop the case, it pops out from the top, and then you can take the glass off just like that. And here's the inside of the case with the glass off, the front glass off, and there's you see the side glass right there. Inside you got plenty of room for anything you want to put in there. You know, I think what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna have my Funko Pop go right here. My Funko Pop gonna be right here. It's gonna be facing out that way. So when you look at it, you'll see the Funko Pop right here. Probably raise it up a little bit too. Here's where your power supply goes right here. And let's take the back off real quick. There's the back plate, has the instructions right here. And as you can see on the back here, here's all your wiring that go up to your switches, your USB ports right here. So these are the switches, some more accessories right here, screws for your motherboard screws right here, and of course the instructions. So here's the whole case right here, and then we're gonna put everything inside of it and turn it into a masterpiece. I think I'm gonna get a little sign right here, because this is gonna be called the Mandalorian. Because like I say, this is gonna be the theme of the build. So I think I'm gonna put a little sign right here to say Mandalorian right here. It's gonna be slick, or either yeah Mandalorian.